Hello, it's Big Cheds, and this is part of the daily education series on my YouTube at Cheds Trading. You can find me on Twitter at Big Cheds and Bitcoin Live, where I'm a founding analyst. For today's lesson, we're going to talk about the concept of a pullback, or a pullback to a support level, which is now resistance. This resistance level, it was once support, it has been lost, it's been broken, and we very simply have an underside retest. So let's take a look at that. You have a price level, which has been formed, ideally formed by multiple tests, regardless of what the price does up here. It's come back, it's found support. We'll call this $100. It's a $100 level. The bulls have stepped in. They've established demand. They have rejected lower prices, and the price has bounced. And we know that the more a price level is tested, the more important it is. The price breaks through that level, and now we know that this support, or was once support, should be resistance. This is the kind of situation where you want to be trading with the trend. So when you're using this technique, which is an underside retest, you want to make sure you have a downtrend, right? You again want to take advantage of a move against the trend. So for example, here in INJ is a downtrend. INJ is a downtrend on the daily chart, price now below the falling MA200. And so what we have here is a very good example of a pullback or an underside retest. The price established a support level. The price held there on multiple attempts with time interval, with price distance in between the attempts, and then it broke down. It found support on an overreaction dip, and the price bounced and was able to push all the way back to the lost support level right around $32. So this is a textbook short setup. You want to take advantage of a bounce in a downtrend. So you want to look for a downtrend. Number one, price below a falling MA200. Number two, you want to look for a well-defined price level that the price is bouncing into. Many altcoins will give you these types of setups because they are many of them are in pretty rough looking downtrends. Even here, roughly the idea that any bounce into lost support should be some type of a short setup because it's a move with the broader trend and against the minor trend. So we're looking at a pullback to lost support, which has now become resistance. This is part of the daily education series on my YouTube channel at Cheds Trading. You can find me on Twitter at Big Cheds and catch me on Bitcoin Live, where I'm a founding analyst. Folks, thank you so much. I hope you are enjoying these videos, and I will talk to you soon. Big Cheds out.